Welcome to the deep blue, where many a kind of fish lives, dwelling the deep blue seas, enchanted watery lakes, reefs, and canyons that man has never seen. Uninhabited for years and years, perhaps. Do we know? Will we find out? Welcome to the deep, where there are many, many tales to be told, and many, many fish to explore. From the crawling amoeba to the mighty tortoise. From the mighty tortoise to the land jaguar. And from the land jaguar all the way back to the desert sea. As we look closer into our own world, we will go on a journey of discovery. We will start near Saudi Arabia, in the middle of the desert! These lands had been untouched for many a year by mankind. But as you can see with your own eyes, man has the oil, and he has destroyed the humans. The humans have got together to destroy the animal kingdom, but the animals will fight back. From the humble dolphin, we look out at the land. The water has been spreading due to the polarized cap melting. As we zoom out further, we see a timeline of what has been happening to our world. In 50 years, many parts of Earth have become uninhabitable. So uninhabitable, in fact, that the animals have chosen to rise up. Now we look at the majestic clownfish. In all its awe and beauty, yet mysterious and vague, the clownfish, the funniest fish of them all, has decided to go on a journey to meet the other fish. When his lands were destroyed, he decided he had had enough, and it was time for the humans to pay the ultimate price. The fish will march together, raising the banners of the sea! Because if they do not, then it will be too late. The mighty plankton, God's fairest creature, is eaten by every other creature, but little did they know that the plankton was the master of the universe. There is a reason behind this, of course. Since days past and times of old, the plankton has existed, secretly watching and waiting in the shadow. The clownfish has found the plankton, and together they have raised an army to rival mankind. It is dark times ahead. As we look further afield to the sandy dunes of sandy Dune Arabia, we zoom out once more and see Egypt, Persia, and other places that have also been touched by the hand of man. In ancient Assyria and Mesopotamia, we see old kingdoms of Babylon that have also been destroyed by the fish armies. But so long ago they were that things have been forgotten. Now we look once again under the seas to see the sand, the precious, precious sand, where reefs are born and die, and humans can touch no more. The fish will rise together for Gondor! The plankton army is